So today I found one seafood restaurant and their cooking skill really so amazing. He is showing his professional cooking way. So I just put the phone really near the cooker and really so dangerous. And here you can see that the fresh lobster they just cut and put there. Actually, they have one way they selling those lobster. They maybe like 1 kg. You can just buy it there, and they will cook for you. You can see my left, they put the cheese on this fresh lobster. So now I think they will put the cheese. It's so delicious. So anyone come to Thailand and come to this Chinatown, you must try this one. Actually, I think at the shop also have, so you just find the good one and fresh.